There's a lot of backbreaking work that goes into yard maintenance, especially if you're determined to take care of your landscaping and upkeep yourself. Smart homeowners know that easy outdoor upkeep really comes down to the tools and gear you invest in, and a good cordless hedge trimmer is one of those standout items to keep in your gardening arsenal for quick and easy maintenance. The best cordless hedge trimmers provide a huge number of benefits over their corded counterparts. You don't have to worry about finding an outlet, there's no risk of tripping over the tailing cord around you as you work, and they tend to be more lightweight and easy to carry than other models. There are numerous options for cheap cordless hedge trimmers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable cordless hedge trimmers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vivosun 20-inch Cordless Hedge Trimmer. You really don't need to spend hundreds of dollars just to get a functional and durable hedge trimmer to help expedite your at-home landscaping and gardening projects. Look at the Vivosun 20-inch Cordless Hedge Trimmer, for example. This budget-friendly cordless hedge trimmer comes in comfortably under $100, but it doesn't skimp on quality and efficiency. In fact, it's one of the best options for those looking for a reliable and heavy-hitting hedge trimmer. The lightweight and long-lasting hedge trimmer features a generous 20-volt power and heavy-duty dual-action blade that will easily cut through even the most unwieldy shrubs and trees. It features no load speeds up to 1400 RPM, which is more than enough for most working conditions. This option also features a comfortable ergonomic D-grip handle that won't cause hand cramping or slip page while in use. It's also designed to work on either side, which allows for easy use by both left-handed and right-handed landscapers. We like that this option has a rechargeable battery as well, but it'll only function for about 30 minutes between charges, so you might want to invest in a backup battery if you have big jobs to deal with. Keep in mind that the 20-inch blade is slightly smaller than other options on our list of the best cordless hedge trimmers. While this makes it a little easier to maneuver, you may find that it's too small to be efficient on large landscaping projects. Number 2. Makita LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Hedge Trimmer Kit. The Makita LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Hedge Trimmer Kit might cost a pretty penny, but if you're looking to spend a little more in order to ensure you're getting all the best bells and whistles, it's well worth the extra cost. The high-end cordless hedge trimmer features a powerful 1800 SPM speed that'll cut through pretty much any shrubbery without putting up a fight. It's also quite quiet compared to other hedge trimmers on our list, which makes it a very appealing option if you don't want to disrupt your neighbors when landscaping. It features a 5-position rotating rear handle which helps ensure increased comfort during both vertical and angle trimming. The two-handed operation also means that this option will only be activated when both the trigger and front handle are engaged, making it a safer option to use. This option comes with a 6-speed dial that ranges from 0 to 1800 SPM to best suit your specific project at hand, as well as star protection computer controls that were designed to protect against overload and over-discharge, as well as overheating. At 13.3 pounds, this splurge-worthy cordless hedge trimmer is the heaviest on our list. You may notice that your arms get fatigued more quickly with this tool than with other options, so keep this factor in mind, especially if you plan to hold it for long periods of time. Number 3. Mytol 24-inch Electric Hedge Trimmer. There are major benefits to opting for a cordless electric hedge trimmer over a gas-powered hedge trimmer, or even a corded counterpart. Electric hedge trimmers tend to be much more lightweight and nimble compared to other options, and they're also going to cost a whole lot less in maintenance and upkeep, since you won't have to purchase gas to fill them up. The Mytol 24-inch electric hedge trimmer is a particularly good option for those looking to make the switch from gas to electric without a hitch. It comes with a rechargeable battery that can fully charge in less than 50 minutes, though the manufacturer doesn't disclose how long the battery lasts for, which makes it great for tackling bigger projects. This option is also relatively budget-friendly without skimping on features to make backyard maintenance as easy and efficient as possible. It also includes convenient double-sided blades that simultaneously cut in 2 directions for added efficiency. The wide 24-inch blade makes it easy to tackle large projects without snagging or getting stuck during the process. The ultra-lightweight hedge trimmer weighs just 5.5 pounds, which is great for wrangling into smaller, hard-to-reach places. However, if you're accustomed to using a gas-powered hedge trimmer, you might have to adjust to how lightweight this device is. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. If you're looking for a no-nonsense cordless hedge trimmer that isn't going to die on you halfway through the job or take ages to charge in between uses, you'll want to consider the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This standout trimmer was designed to run for more than an hour with a single battery, but it also works with any DEWALT brand battery. This means you can easily stock up on multiple batteries and always have a backup pack ready to go, extending your device's life for several hours. The The razor-sharp workhorse is also incredibly rough and durable. It features a laser-cut heck-tooth blade design that can cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick in one go. It's also made from a well-balanced and sturdy-feeling handle system that feels secure in hand and won't crack or chip with heavy and regular use. We also really appreciate that this option, despite its sturdy feel and long-lasting and convenient battery life, is a relatively budget-friendly option. It also includes a generous warranty policy and excellent customer service support, which is great if you ever run into issues with your hedge trimmer. It's important to note that this tool doesn't come with a blade cover, which makes it more dangerous to use in store. We recommend purchasing a blade guard separately to ensure no one gets hurt on the sharp edges. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 40V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Investing in a cordless hedge trimmer pretty much guarantees a streamlined and simplified way to landscape and maintain your yard. That being said, hedge trimmers, especially gas-powered hedge trimmers, tend to be quite heavy and can be rather difficult to comfortably use. The Black Plus Decker 40V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer offers a happy compromise between lightweight design and heavy-duty functionality. It weighs in at just under 7 pounds, while still offering a generous 40-volt power for bigger projects in your yard. This option is also designed to be as comfortable in hand as possible. It features an ergonomic wraparound auxiliary handle to make it easier to access hard-to-reach spots around your yard. Its integrated vibration reduction means you'll be able to work with better precision and for longer periods of time without worrying about your hands getting blisters or cramping up. We also like that this option boasts a 22-inch dual-action blade, which allows you to efficiently trim hedges and branches with better maneuverability. Keep in mind that the battery pack can be tricky to clip into place, so it may take a few minutes to set up your hedge trimmer before getting to work. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.